brand new Suzuki V-Storm 160, dual channel ABS and tip over sensor. SRP niya 146,000. For installment naman, may 15% down payment na halagang 21,900. Dito lang yan sa Cycle Mart, 10th Avenue, Caloocan City. Ito yung upgrade nila na dual channel ABS. Mapormang taillight. At dahil adventure bike nga itong V-Storm 160, naglagay sila ng tip over sensor yan. Para pag nasemplang kayo, natumba kayo, mamatay agad yung makina. Ito namang front fender, napakaangas. May sticker pa ng V-Storm 160. At syempre itong front ABS. Ito yung computation ng installment. Merong 1 year, merong 2 years, pwedeng 3 years. Dito pa rin sa Cycle Mart, 10th Avenue, Caloocan.